Hello, DBCT here. So it has been a new year. Uh, Actually, we stopped uploading weekly update about few weeks ago due to I was on vacation and we need to change few things on how we make our video and upgrade most of the things we do. So right now we'll be starting season 3 episode 88. We are continuing from the episode. We are not starting from episode 1. We'll just continue that way. The previous one we finished. We've done episode 1. Now we've done season 1 and season 2. Now we are venturing into season 3, and finger crossed, very close, very soon, once we are in episode, I think 104, that will be equivalent to a year when we start this weekly update. So by the way, the shop is actually just scattered up. I'm going to turn my camera around to just welcome you and show you most of the things we have and some of the work we'll be starting. Actually, for now, I will be the only one here. Most of the students are not around. They are in school and some have gone back to work travel due to the way situation is now. So by the way, guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for all this love and support, and for those of you who have subscribed to the channel, really appreciate you. Those of you who are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be one of the first person to get notified when we upload a new video. Feel free to leave in the comment section down below what you think on this channel, and for those of you who have also apply for our online training, we really appreciate you. You are the best. And for those of you who have not applied yet, there's still time for you to apply for the training. So let me turn the camera around and show you the shop. Thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you at the other side. So talking about the way the shop is, as you can see, there's nothing on this rack. It is empty, and most of the items are under this place. They are being covered up because of dust. We are now in the I would say dry season. The way we understand it here in this part of the world, those are our carry board, chipboard, Mako, the foreign Mako, and here I have some, the frame I've promised ever since we finished this side, those one there, I finally have it, but yet I'm still deliberating on what to put inside the two frames. So guys, let me know if you have any idea what we should put. Please leave it in the comment section down below, and I will see. And if you can share me a picture or maybe any graphics on my WhatsApp, I will also appreciate that. But we've cleaned the shop. I came back a few days ago. We've cleaned the shop, but you see, it's time. We are now in dry season and everywhere is still litter. See dust the way it is. So that's just by the way. The inside as well, most of our bag is still inside here, and we have some new work, some new designer bags. Some we'll be working on, like the one we've made in previous year, I think last 2 years and earlier last year. So these are the specification of the bag. I think we are making 6 or 5 bag. So we have their specification here, and we are using this croc leather. We have some plain leather we'll be using as well, and some this silver with the big lock. So let me show you the big lock. The big lock is inside this carton with the big chain. As you can see, these are the big lock and the big chain, part of the big lock. The big eyelets is here, and some of the accessory for the lock. Then we have those big chain, they are also here. So finger crossed, we'll be working on this stuff. So I don't know if I will finish those things this week. If I can't finish, anyone I can finish, which is 2 or 3, I will let you guys see, and I will stop the weekly updates there. And so by next week I will have cleaned up the shop and everything will be intact, so we can give you more content and updates on the shop. I'm even supposed to do shop 2023 what is it even called, studio updates, the machine we've added, the tools we've added, and all the things. So that will be later on. Be expecting the time lapse of making all these bags and some of the specification, and I think I'll be dedicating a tutorial to them so you guys can learn, because we are making a bag. A double gusset bag is among here, so most of you have asked for those specific you have asked specifically for the tutorial, and I promise you that I'm going to do that. So it has come the time for me to do that. Very soon be expecting the double gusset, the basic measurements, and all the process making from all this. Thank you guys for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when new video is being uploaded on the channel. And I will see you at the other side. Thank you for watching. So guys, still working on the design. This thing we do is more complicated than what people think to achieve a design. I have designed two, which you saw, the one I kept on that my chair. I'm trying to design the third one now, and I made a mistake. Instead of a single gusset, I'm using a double gusset. So I'm thinking of changing this, because I still have this to design. This particular one, I scale down the measurement because I can't work with this. I have to scale down the measurement so it will be easy for me when measuring and cutting out the interface. And this one, but what I discover is what the client sends is not complete. The material, some of it are not complete. One thing is you should note is sometimes my clients send me material on accessory for me to work for them. Some of them send just material, I get the accessory, and some of them just order back from us, and we'll be the one to source for the material and add the accessory. So by the way, I stopped the video initially and I'm done with all the design. I rechecked the instruction and I discovered that no much mistake is being made. So this one I'm making one, this one I'm making one, this one I'm making one, and this first one is with a silver lock, while this one is also with a silver lock, and this one, the front, is a silver material, which is this particular one I showed you guys earlier. This one is a full crock, while this one is a plain material, the plain black with gold lock. The same thing applicable to this full crock with a gold lock. Why this is also gold lock. The two are gold lock, and it's mixture of the black plain material and the crock. So I finished the design now, but I don't know how long the video is going to be. If I'm able to start cutting without making the bag, I will let you guys see this week, because it's already weekend, and I think I will just see you at the continuation of it. Whichever way it goes, if I come tomorrow, anything I do, I will still update you guys. This is just a weekly update. You don't expect me to show you everything, just like updates of what is happening at the studio here and what we are up to. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the rest of the video. So see you later, guys. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the weekly updates. The update that is going on is now the one I showed you earlier that I was making is here on the decks. As you can see, I have cut all the accessories, the lining. I've even started, as you can see, the pockets. I have fixed the pockets, the cover, the lining is ready. and even some of the material has been also joined together. So it's just left for me now to apply come to it, because I said I will be making that. I'm making a tutorial for that, so I just started. There's another one again, this particular one. Since I was editing the video, I said let me start this particular one, so it's the one I'm cutting now. Okay, let me turn the camera so I can show you more better. So just turn the camera. This is how it's looking. Let me show you this one closely a little bit. So I have cut the front lining, the back lining, the front interface, the cover and the back, the two foam. This is the two foam, and here is the two material I'll be using for the front and the back. Also the lock is also here. Then this is the side is also here. This is the side, and the bottom is also here. So this is the one I'm just trying to do now. Since I just sit down not to do anything, I decide to start this crock, the full one. So by the way, I will just try my best, even if it's that one I'm able to finish today before evening, before the time goes, so I can show you the outcome of that particular one. Then next week probably I will not be coming tomorrow. We'll continue with the weekly updates. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the rest of the weekly updates. So good morning guys, I'm back at the shop now. So this is a little bit of what I did yesterday from all the bag we were making. I cut just few but not all, and I have the rest of the interface there. While the main material we'll be using has been separated, everything is inside. So this morning or today I will try my best to cut. I don't know yet, because the way it's going now, if I will be able to even finish anyone in this weekly update at all. If not, you will be seeing them next week, or I will see if I can finish just one, so you guys will learn something this week. And if I can't finish it, I said I will be dedicating a tutorial video to them, so you watch it from there. So this morning I'm packing a order for someone, just this yellow bead bag we make a few months ago. So that's the mini paper bag I'm putting in. I just want to wrap it now. After I finish wrapping it, I'll just show you guys, and you guys will be updated. So I have just finished the packaging. As you can see, I've wrapped it in the nylon, so now I'll be putting it inside here, and it will be sent to the owner. So whichever way it goes, those particular bag we'll be making, I'll try my best and let you guys see the outcome before you get to see the tutorial. So the shop is still a little bit the way I showed you a few days ago, and I will continue with the rest of the activities. Don't mind this pot you are seeing. These are pressure pots. It's just some of the accessory that is inside. That is how they send the package to me. So don't mind me when you see this. So for the continuation of the weekly updates, this is how everywhere is being littered. You see, yesterday I worked but I didn't get to clean. So the one I say I'm going to make, this is it. This particular one was what I was able to make, since I promised you guys that this week update I will try my best to make one. The rest of the accessories and material I'm expecting has not been sent, so I still have to just keep calm and abandon the work. But this one I've cut down, I will just start it. So whichever way it goes, once the items are being sent, I will continue the rest of the activities, which is next week. So this is where I'm going to end this week update. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this week update, and I am going to see you in next week updates. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell. Expect new tutorial every week. Interesting one coming very soon. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.